On the one hand, the camera can magnify things like our stomach or our double chin. On the other hand, it can minimize things. There are some things that look fine in real life, but just look weird on TV or on video. For most people, when someone's talking to you, your face goes blank. You're listening to the person, but your face goes blank. Now, imagine I'm being introduced on a television show, and the host is being nice and saying, "Ladies and gentlemen, we have internationally renowned media trainer to presidents and prime ministers, Nobel Peace Prize winners, Miss Universes, T.J. Walker's here." They're hearing all these nice things about me, but now the camera's on me and this is what they see. How does that seem to you? What would be your first impression of me? Well, I looked bored, boring, kind of like a mugshot, practically dead. Would you want to listen to that person? I don't think so. So here's the key. Anytime you're in front of a video camera, you need a little bit of a smile on your face. Just a little bit of an upturn. So I'm going to just pretend that I'm being announced and the host is talking, and I'm going to have a little bit of a smile on my face. You tell me how it looks. It's not a gigantic TV evangelist smile. It's just a little bit of an upturn. Think of it as just bringing your cheeks up a little. You don't even have to show any teeth in a smile. Now, here's the thing. This is confusing to people because they think, well, TJ, I'm talking about serious issues and flood or a disaster, someone's been hurt. I can't do that. A little bit of a smile on your face won't look like a smile. You'll simply look more relaxed, more confident. Now, even during a crisis, when there are injuries involved, you want to calm people down. So having a little bit of a smile on your face will, in fact, just make you look more comfortable and confident. It won't look like you're treating this like a joking matter. So, for example, let's say I have some bad news to announce. Unfortunately, with the economic downturn, we at Media Training Worldwide have had to cut back. We have laid off all of our trainers. Fortunately, they have great job interview skills. I'm quite confident in how they'll do. Now, I have a little bit of smile on my face, but I was talking about a serious issue, having to lay off people. But ideally, it didn't look like I was treating it as a laughing matter because I don't want to be seen as callous, as someone who fires people and thinks that it's funny. So it makes a huge difference, and it's something I'm going to want you to practice in a moment. It's not hard to do in the sense of learning a new skill, like learning how to play the violin or learning how to hit a driver at the golf course. Those are hard skills. All of you have been smiling your whole life. The hard part is consciously telling yourself, okay, I'm on camera, I'm going to smile a little. And it's not a frozen look. It's not something that's big. It's just a little subtle thing, but it will make you look more comfortable, confident, relaxed. And after a while, you'll know that you look more comfortable, confident, and relaxed, which will make you actually feel more comfortable, confident, and relaxed.